friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your WhatsApp from hackers. Because nowadays you can see on the news hackers hacks your WhatsApp and all the data collect and blackmailing you. So how we can save our personal data, personal chatting and personal calls or personal photos, any other data, how we can save from hackers. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tag. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, open your WhatsApp and tap on three dots, tap on settings. So friends, you can see here account option, so tap on account. So you can see here many options like security notification, passcode, email address, two-step verification. So friends, tap on two-step verification. Two-step verification. So friends, for extra security, turn on two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. So friends, when your phone number registered on next WhatsApp, so WhatsApp required a PIN when registering again on other WhatsApp. So set a PIN code for two-step verification. Tap on turn on. So friends, create a 6 digits that you remember. So you can see here PIN set. So add email in case you forget your PIN. Two-step verification is on. Add an email address to your account to make sure you have access if you forget your PIN. So friends, if you doubt that you can't remember your PIN, so add an email for more secure your WhatsApp. So if you want to add email, so tap on add or enter your email. Suppose that abcdefg at gmail.com. So friends, when you tap a email, then tap on next. So friends, your two-step verification is on and PIN is activated. Two-step verification is on. You will need to enter your PIN if you register your phone number on WhatsApp again. So friends, when your phone number is again registered on any WhatsApp, then WhatsApp require your 6 digits PIN for register. So go back. Now your WhatsApp is safe totally. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to save your WhatsApp from hackers with two-step verification code. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.